Hey guys, hey, it's Dr. Jerry Mills here, and this wanted to talk about this month's Body Signals program that we're getting put together. This month we're going to focus on a health issue that can range from being somewhat bothersome and uncomfortable to downright debilitating. We're focusing on neck pain this month and all the related issues of the cervical spine. The symptom, our body's signal, is incredibly pervasive today, and it seems like everybody is complaining about neck pain and stiffness, and it's really no wonder. The prevalence of computer use and handheld devices like mobile phones um, has created an outright pandemic of neck issues, right? In fact, there's a new name for this incredibly common and serious health problem. It's called tech neck. So if you're like the rest of us and you spend way too much time looking at a screen, whether it's at your desk at work or your monitor at home or on your phone or tablet every other minute in between, um, this workshop is for you. Neck pain and stiffness, as bad as they are only symptoms, though, of a bigger issue, right? And one that can lead to headaches and migraines and shoulder and arm issues and things like carpal tunnel, even breathing problems, heart issues, digestive problems like reflux can all relate to this problem, right? And so I hope everybody will join us for this month's Body Signals workshop and find out how to avoid these problems, because really that's the best method of treating it, is to not get it in the first place. But if you do and you're already struggling with these issues, some strategies on how to correct the problem, right? And don't wait for these problems to get so big. Remember the five most dangerous words in healthcare? Maybe it'll go away. Neck pain is one of those things that, like I said, it's just once it gets rolling, it's a tough one. So this month our workshop is going to be on August 29th, which is a Thursday night again at 6:15. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think we're going to have some real good, practical, applicable information. And if you know somebody that's struggling with neck pain or they're a pain in your neck, bring them to our workshop. All right. Good to see you guys. Hope to see you all at the workshop.